Upon this rock you build your church, and the gates of hell will not prevail. When we bind and loose, we proclaim your truth, and in Jesus' name we will not fail, never fail. Oh, he's building a church now.
Crucified, raised up from the dead, led captivity captive.